Hey guys, welcome back to Vlog Bros! And today, you should probably know what this is, right? This is my Spiderman costume. I've been waiting for this for so many weeks, I think, or is it a month? No, I think it's a weeks. So many weeks, and yeah, it's here now. So let's go and unbox this. Wait, what's this? In the wing. There we go. I see it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. I'm gonna open this right now. I'm just so shocked. Wait, it's open. It's actually wrapped up very nice. As you can see, here's the mask. There's no opening, so I probably have to cut it and just get some scissors. I'll give you guys a closer look at the suit. Okay. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Reflection. Look at that. Now the suit has a back zipper. Wow. Amazing. This is, as you cannot tell, if you don't not tell, it's a far from home suit. And this is the mask. So yeah guys, I'll make another video of me wearing it. Yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, do the honors.
Peace out.